Hello friends, welcome back to another mind-blowing episode of Brainblast4U. Whoa, did the earth just burp? No, that's a volcano erupting. But why does it happen? Today, we're going to explore the amazing exploding world of volcanoes. And stick around, because me and my best friend and my brother is going to make a volcano at the end of the video. It's going to be fun. What is a volcano? Let's look inside a volcano. Down here. This fiery pool is the magma chamber. A volcano is a mountain with magma. Hot melted rocks hiding inside. It's like a soda can shaking under the surface. It pushes magma up the main vent and sometimes through the side cracks called secondary vents. When it reaches the top, lava explosion! Deep inside Earth, it's super hot. The mantle melts rock into magma. This magma rises up because it's lighted like bubbles. The more magma, the more pressure builds. Then, boom! The volcano can't hold it in anymore. Magma becomes lava and shoots out. It's hot, messy, and super powerful. Lava cools down into rocks, and after a while, plants and trees come back. Nature recovers. It's cool, right? Did you know there are volcanoes hidden under the ocean too? They are called submarine volcanoes. They form deep down on the ocean floor where the Earth's plates are moving apart. Hot magma sneaks up through the cracks, and when it cools, it builds up layer by layer like an underwater mountain. Now, bonus fact. Sometimes these underwater volcanoes get so big, they break the surface and become islands. That's how Hawaii was formed. The worst eruption ever. Mount Tambara in 1815. It was so big, it cooled the earth. People call it the year without summer. Pompeii, the doomed city. Long ago, in the city of Pompeii, a volcano called Mount Vesuvius erupted. It was so powerful, it buried the whole city in ash. People didn't even know it was a volcano until it was too late. Today, we can still visit the ruins. Why we study volcanoes? Today, scientists want volcanoes to warn people before they erupt. That's how we stay safe. So the wait is over. Yes, let's get into the fun part of this episode, making a mini volcano model with my friends and brother. Hi guys, it's me, Chocho, back in another video. And you might be guessing who these guys are. And this is my friend, okay? And this is Jack, and this is my little brother. Now, let's open it. I fixed it. It's so blurry in this sunglasses. Okay, let me introduce all the stuff. This is a measuring cup. And this is a plastic pipe. And this is... I get it. Plaster of Paris. And this is baking soda. This is a squeeze bottle. And that's all. Okay, this is what we got from the kit, eh? Apart from this, we need all this stuff. So, this is from our house. We need plain clothes, plain wipes, and scissors, a spoon, and sponge. And last of all, we need vinegar. Let's start making it.
Why do we need vinegar?
Oh, so it's a mystery, and I'll tell you in the middle of the part here.
Okay, let's find out.
Do not do this without adult supervision. It's very dangerous. Okay? Now, let's get started. The first thing we need is this cube and this plate of volcano. We need to connect this tube all the way around. You might have to. Put in the plaster of Paris. So this will only reach up to 200. So 200 pour in, and then I have to get all the way up to there. Okay, I can't fill this. Okay, now we need to look how it turned out. Now we need to put all this mold over this with bare hands. And look, it's hardened so much.
Whoa, it looks like a rock.
Yeah, you're right.
What is plaster of Paris?
Oh, plaster of Paris is made from gypsum rock. It can harden fast and can turn into anything if you use the right mold.
Even a dino mold?
Yes.
Whoa, awesome.
Okay, now the fun part. We're gonna paint it with all my buds here. We don't have enough paintbrushes, so we are each going to take a turn.
And we're going to start colouring the lava. Well, because these are brand new and we got it from the kit, they might be hard to open. Okay, who wants to go first? Me! Okay. Let me try to open this. Why is it so hard? Now it's Jack's turn.
like a kind of lava.
Yeah, it looks like lava.
Yeah, I know. It's flowing like that. Look at that. It's flowing like that. And the level is flowing. This rock is flowing.
Okay, now, see this baking soda and this volcano? I gotta get 1 tablespoon. Well, 1 tablespoon and dip it in. And it has to be correctly there. And I have to dip it in there. So, let's do this. Okay. Oh, that's tablespoon. I don't know yet. Let's figure it out. We need to put 90 ml of vinegar in this cup. Okay, got 90 ml of we've put 2 drops of detergent and 90 ml of vinegar. And now we have to put these volcano rocks around the baking soda and connect this to let's put the rocks in. Okay, let's do it.
We're gonna explore the volcano.
Yeah, let's do it. After this one finishes. Oh, something squeezed out.
That's the water.
Oh, it's so thick.
Oh, this is rocket coming.
Should we put some more in? Let's see what will happen if we did add more baking soda. Okay, you don't have enough vinegar. You have to add more. Oh, this is so much fun. Time for the second time. Let's go. Did you see that blood?
Whoa. It's like a fountain.
It's so loud.
This is so sad.
Okay. Oi, spat it out. Okay, now that will work. I hope you guys enjoyed our little experiment. So, don't forget to hit like and smash subscribe. And don't forget to share this with your friends.
So let us here. See you at the next experiment video. Bye.
Welcome aboard, we're ready to fly through galaxies wide and questions that why. Science and tech, we'll dive right through with Chocho to guide us at Brainblast4U. From atoms that dance to rockets that soar, every fact opens a brand new door. Mysteries big and tiny things too, it's a mind-blowing world waiting for you. Blast off with Chocho, come take the ride, where fun meets facts on the knowledge side. Laugh, explore, discover what's true right here, right now. It's Brainblast4U.